Bank of Montreal has a long-standing tradition of giving back to the community. Our employees are totally engaged every year to not only raise funds but contribute and get involved in the community. The United Way is kind of a central force for us. In fact, in the last 12 months for the 2017 campaign, probably what we're most proud of is 90% of our employees contributed personally to our fundraising activities, and more than 120,000 of that has gone to the United Way. BMO's support for the United Way goes beyond just raising funds. Bank of Montreal is also aligned to many of the values that the United Way shares. Their focus on diversity, helping immigrant families, helping people who are less known, facing different challenges. These are values that really are at the core of our values. BMO is very involved with women in business, both here in the local market and across the country. We stand at close to 40% of senior leaders in the company are women. That's a high mark for the Canadian industry. Diversity, inclusion are central keys not only to our hiring practices but also to the development and support in the community.
Building community and engaging parents and their families is a goal for any education system anywhere. So when we connect with the United Way, it gives us another layer that we can connect with because there are so many community organizations as well. It's really a partnership that's dependent on one another because we both value all the same goals and we're all striving for the same thing. Our school board has an annual United Way campaign, and over 80% of our staff across the system contribute to that. So that's our main fundraiser and our main way of getting financial backing for the Catholic Education Foundation of Ottawa and for the United Way. And it really allows us to model for our students dignity and compassion, and that's something that we really want to support students in being global citizens. We have families that are in very impoverished situations. We have newcomers to Canada that need help settling. And so it's really humbling to be able to serve that level of need in a very direct and immediate way.
CMA has a vision to provide a vibrant medical profession as well as a healthy population. And the key area under the healthy population is supporting those of need within our communities across Canada. A particular area of interest for us is seniors care. For over 27 years, we've seen United Way as one of our key partner stakeholders in terms of supporting those communities. With the seniors in Ottawa in particular, one of the key things that we've identified is access to programs. This is very important to us because that's not a core business for us. However, supporting programs that United Way provides to seniors really addresses the needs that we've identified. One of the key aspects of our relationship with the United Way is the ability to look at the data and the research to show where our money is being spent and the impact that it's having. And I think that that's one of the key values that we appreciate in terms of the work that they do in this area, so that we can be accountable not only to our employees in terms of where they're contributing their money, but also to our board of directors who's very supportive of this relationship with the United Way.